My name is Joseph Trott. I'm a sales estimator for Ford. Before that, I was a technical director for a church in San Francisco. I think there are a couple hot new technologies that churches are really looking at. I think the two that come to the mind the most is just upgrading your stage lighting in particular, adding LED lights where you're able to get a lot of control out of those fixtures and a lot more color options out of those fixtures too. And then kind of related to that is potentially having the ability to put direct view LEDs for your screens, so you can potentially have a much more immersive environment within your church services. There's several benefits. The primary ones that I think of is cost. You end up having a lot lower energy requirement for those fixtures, in particular for your lighting fixtures. But one of the side benefits too is that your heating goes way down. So your people on stage aren't sweating as much, so you have less issues with your video, and then but also your heating needs for your rooms comes down significantly compared to conventional stage lighting. Well, I think some of the benefits for direct view LED is the video quality. The screens tend to be much brighter, but you also tend to get a much better contrast ratio out of those screens. So your blacks are more black, your whites are more white, so you just get generally speaking, a much better image out of direct view LED screens. Well, I think most churches have taken a large step forward in their production, moving closer to what you would see in concert environments and even in live studio environments. A lot of the newer equipment is a lot more automated, so you're able to do a lot more with fewer steps. I think one of the things that's really important is to engage in your technical community, the church technical community, whether it's through Facebook groups or this website, where you're able to really bounce ideas off people and get solutions for problems that you're having.